In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock a user in Gmail. Maybe you accidentally blocked someone, or you blocked an address a while ago and now you want to start receiving their emails again. Whatever the reason, the process to unblock a user in Gmail is quick and simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step and explain what each part means so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. This is important, especially if you manage more than one Gmail address. You want to be sure you're changing the settings for the right inbox. Now, look toward the top right corner of the Gmail window. You'll see a small gear icon which represents settings. Click on that gear icon. When you do, a small menu will open. In that menu, click on the option that says See All Settings to open the full settings page. Once you're in the main settings area, you'll notice several tabs across the top, such as General, Labels, Inbox, and so on. Here, you want to find and click on the tab labeled Filters and Blocked Addresses. This section is where Gmail keeps track of any filters you've created, as well as email addresses you've blocked. When the Filters and Blocked Addresses page loads, scroll down until you see the list of blocked email addresses. This list shows every sender that you've chosen to block in the past. Next to each address, you'll see options to manage or remove that block. Now, locate the specific user or email address you want to unblock. Take a moment to double check that you've selected the correct one, because this will allow messages from that sender to reach your inbox again. When you've found it, click the option to unblock that address. Gmail may show a small confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to unblock this user. Confirm your choice. After you confirm, that address will be removed from your blocked list, and future emails from that user will start appearing in your inbox or wherever your normal filters would send them. If you don't see their messages right away, remember that this only affects new emails going forward, not old ones. And that's it. You've successfully unblocked